Welcome back, everybody. As you can see, the intros are being done back to back from the last video I did and finished posting. The same day, on that gray day, I took out the Bronica S2A with the P75 Nippon Kogaku 2.8 lens and the Y2 yellow filter. And this time, inside the film back was Ilford HP5. So all of my film get developed exactly the same. All of them. Everything gets the exact same developing. So it'll be interesting to see how this shows up. What I did is I focused on trains and the train parts and stuff like that. So yeah, like, subscribe, click the bell. I hope you like the photos. See you later.